It's showtime. It's showtime.
You still do basketball games?
What?
You still do basketball games in the season? Yeah. And here we go. Catalyst in all blue with the white helmets. Longwood in the white outfit with the white helmets.
He's carrying that ball. Man, we can take that ball.
The ball is down by the Panthers. They will take over first down. Your officials, the referee, Jesse Knighton.
Running down the field. Right?
Second down and a long 7. Once again, the spread offense from the shotgun. The handoff to the far side.
No gain on the play.
So in those two plays, they run. Hurry.
Facing the line! Call it out on line!
All wide. They spread out.
4 receiver set, single back. Oh!
Incomplete pass.
4 balls are marked. Don't jump.
Kicking team on the field for Longwood.
Watch the fake! You don't go to the foot! Watch the fake!
Look at his back there. That was slow.
The ball is down.
Well, we got
2nd and 7.
I'm seeing what this dude with Cam's doing.
Oh!
Interception by the Panthers of CICS. They will take over first down.
Ball at the 45-yard line. That's where the Panthers will go to work. 1st and 10. Oh, turns the corner, driven out of bounds.
Out of bounds on this side of the field after a small gain. 2nd down.
At the 40-yard line, Piercy picked up about 4 yards. Up the middle and nada.
Up the middle, no gain on the play.
4th and a long 2 to go for the Panthers. We'll see if they're going for it Look like they get their single back from the shotgun. They are going for it. There's a snap. In trouble. And down he goes.
That's a loss on the play. Loss on the play. That was 4th down. Carlos Maria takes over 1st down.
Yo.
1st and 10 from the 41-yard line. Catalyst. There's a snap. There's a handout up the middle. Still moving. Gets the 1st down and more.
He's going.
Out of bounds on the far side.
Coach.
1st and 10. Catalyst. Outlet. Turns the corner. Turns it upfield and reaches the 40
Completed pass. The ball is down near the 40-yard line.
of Longwood. That's about 2 yards short of the first. They picked
Ball
up
is
8
at the
yards.
40-yard line.
He's hunched over, right? Yeah, I haven't seen him.
Hey, check out my drill! Check my drill! Go
Get him!
Oh! Tipped away.
Incomplete pass.
Tipped away the last second.
3rd down. The Wolves. Countless.
Why does it look like Aaron running so slow today? He can dump these dudes. No.
1st and 10.
Run the blocks!
Quarterback keeper. Out of bounds. I'll pass the 25-yard
Out
line.
of bounds near the 25-yard line. They're calling the 23. Oh, in trouble.
No gain. Loss on the play.
Look that time because it was quick. That can get open. He's not. Yeah.
3rd and 12. Quarterback rolls out. He'll take it himself.
Slow down,
Quarterback keeper on the play.
Brings it close to the 1st down marker.
Oh, they gave it to us? Good.
1st down.
1st down.
Yes, it is.
Oh, in trouble. And
That's a
down he
sack on the
goes.
play. Sack on the play. Number 15 of the Panthers with the sack. Completed pass. Small gain on the play.
Spread offense. Single back from the shotgun. There's a snap. There's a pass. Hits his receiver.
Completed pass by the Wolves. Fourth down.
Good for about 15 yards. Brings up fourth down.
What did I say? Okay.
From the one.
I said fourth. My fault.
First down. There's a pass. And it's good. Touchdown, Callis Maria.
Touchdown, touchdown. Callis Maria of the Wolves, touchdown.
Wait, what?
Marie will kick to restart the game. Longwood will receive. Here's the kick. Received.
The ball goes into the end zone. It will come out to the 20 or maybe the 25-yard
It's
line.
going to the end zone. So that'll be, that was pretty good, yeah. Come out to the 20.
20-yard line.
First and 10 from the 20 for the Panthers.
He looks confused as
Spread offense.
Quarterback lives in.
Is he? Oh.
There's a flag on the play. Flag on the play.
Oh, ball's in the air. Oh, and caught.
Incomplete. Incomplete pass.
Hit the ground. He's saying he caught it. Oh, he's overruled. Is that a first down? Oh, boy. The officials are arguing.
Completed pass. Ball is down to the 30-yard line. First down.
First down. There's a long pass overthrows everybody.
Incomplete pass. Completed pass by the Panthers for a small gain. Of the first quarter of today's ball game. Callis Maria Wolves and the CICS Panthers.
Wolves by 6.